just how bad he wants food after he's done. I moved it away farther. But he's figured out he can pull this and it'll come to him. Watch him yell.
Of course, we know you can't always get what you want. But sometimes you can.
How are you gonna get it, son?
Introducing the all-new
How are you gonna get that? Mom? Oh, second best thing, the bib. No. Oh. You gonna get that food? Watch your foot. Pick your foot up. There you go. Get that food. Get it. God. This is after he's had a thing of rice and 2 vegetables and a bottle. Orion, why do you want that food? Why do you want that food? Why do you want that food? Oh yeah? You didn't get enough to eat? Is that what you're trying to say? Did we not get enough to eat? You want this back? You want to get down? Do you want to get down? Give me your hand. I'll let you get down. There you go. You gonna get down? You want to walk over here? Come on. Show everybody how you can walk. Grab Mama's leg and walk over here. Well, you don't want to give up on the food, do you? Son, it's empty. The food's all pal. It's all pal, son. There's no more food. Come on. What are you so upset about? What are you so upset?